this jeweller's drill is a very good example of what I'm saying here, because, well, its proper name is a drill stock, but more commonly it's called the bow drill or Archimedes drill. And just to throw you, guess who didn't invent it? You're right, he didn't. This was invented by the ancient Egyptians, and their version was quite big, and you moved this from side to side, and it was, you know, if you know what I mean. Now, this is just an ordinary drill bit. The jewellers would pop a pin in there, fasten it in place, and out comes the file to file a triangle at the top to it. Because this is about to revolve both clockwise and anti-clockwise. And in the skilled and steady hand of a jeweller, it gives you a really accurate drill section down through the precious metal. This is still used in the trade as well today for various things, because of the utterly fine degree of control you get compared to an electric drill. Just like that, you see. I'll speed up just a little bit. Then you can see it clears out the hole as well. The scraps and filings get thrown out. But thankfully they get thrown no further than this. This is the jeweller's leather, the jeweller's apron, or the jeweller's skin. Because not a single jeweller would want any of that overshooting and going home in a turn-ups. Just would not want it.
Terrible.
I know. Of course, the jewellers on the bench here, you probably see that their sleeves are rolled up, and that was mandatory. If you're working on the bench, your sleeves had to be rolled up before you started, just in case.